Good morning, my dear children. We finished our first lesson in science. Today we are learning our second lesson. Which is our second lesson? Force, work, and energy. Force, work, and energy. These three words are very familiar for you, isn't it? You might have heard these three words in your daily life. Force, work, energy. Among these three terms, first we are learning force. What is force? In your daily life, you are seeing many objects around you. Chair is there, table is there, desk is there, school bags there. They all are not able to move their own. Most of the living things are able to move their own. Most of the non-living things are not able to move their own. So we have to apply a force. If you want to move a chair from one place to another place, what do? You lift the chair with your hand or you push it. Okay? Push or you pull back, isn't it? If you want to move a cupboard, you are pulling or pushing. Okay? If you want to move your school bag, you are taking it with your hand. Then only it moves from its place. So what is force? What we are doing? A push or pull we apply on an object to move it is called force. ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിനെ മൂവ് ചെയ്യിക്കാൻ നമ്മൾ നൽകുന്ന പുഷ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പുള്ളാണെന്ത് ഫോഴ്സ്. Then all of you underline what is force. A push or a pull applied on a body is called force. Underline this. A push or pull applied on a body is called force. So here all of you write the question, what is force, and learn this definition. All of you say what is force. A push or pull applied on a body is called force. And we apply the force with our muscles. It is called muscular force. Our body made up of soft parts called muscles, isn't it? And force applied by the muscles of our body is called muscular force. Then, if we applying force, what are the changes happening in an object? നമ്മൾ ഫോഴ്സ് കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ മാറ്റങ്ങളാണ്, അതെങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിനെ എഫക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് നോക്കാം. Force can move an object at rest. Force can move an object. Force can move an object. Force can move an object. See, here one toy car is given and first it was in rest, and when this boy is pushing this toy car, then it moves. Okay, so first effect of force is force can move an object. Force can move an object. Then see next. Force can speed up a moving object. If you are cycling, if you want to move this cycle, if you want to increase the speed of cycle, you apply more force. So force can speed up a moving object. Second one, force can speed up a moving object. These are effects of force. What are the effects of force? The question is, what are the effects of force? Then you can write, you have to write force can move an object, force can speed up a moving object, then force can change the direction of a moving object. If you playing badminton, you can change the direction of this shuttlecock. Okay, and if you are throwing a ball, you can change the direction of the movement of ball by applying force. നമുക്കൊരു വസ്തുവിൻ്റെ ഡിറക്ഷൻ മാറ്റാൻ സാധിക്കും. So force can change the direction of a moving object. change direction. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Then force can stop a moving object. If a ball is coming towards you, you can hold it and you can stop the movement. So force can stop a moving object. Or force can stop a moving object. Force can move a resting object, and force can stop the moving object. And force can change the shape of an object. If you press a plastic thing or a balloon, and you can with your hands you can change the shape. Force can change the shape of an object. So change shape. Force can change the shape of an object. Force can change the shape of an object. Next, see in swing. If you are swinging, you can slow down or you can increase the speed. Opposite of increasing speed is slowing down the speed. So force can slow down a moving object. Force can slow down a moving object. So now we learned what is a force. What is a force? A push or pull applied on an object is called force. Next we learned what are the effects of force. In 6 ways force can affect on an object. 6 തരത്തിൽ ഫോഴ്സിന് ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിൽ മാറ്റങ്ങൾ വരുത്താൻ സാധിക്കും. Which are they? Say a force can move an object. A force can speed up a moving object. Force can change the direction of an object. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the shape of an object. Force can slow down a moving object. So today I am taking this much only. Today itself all of you learn this, and I'll send you the question answers and exercise first lesson today itself. So morning you have to learn this only. You have to learn what is force and effects of force, and in the next class we will learn different types of force. Okay.